Okay, so tomorrow we are going to break camp here at the Big Meadow Campground. Big Meadow Reservoir Campground. I'll get it right one of these times.
I know.
At the Big Meadow Reservoir Campground is where we're going, or where we're leaving. We're leaving it, and we're gonna do our best to get. We're gonna try for a place. What's it called? That's called Lower Piedra Campground, right?
Yes.
And it's about, what did he say, 2 miles off of 160, just west of Pagosa Springs.
Yes.
And it's a first come first served place. So
we're keeping our fingers crossed because it only has 17 sites, so we're hoping that it's not a very popular campground. We did talk to a ranger on the phone, and they said it was a very pretty campsite. So this is actually the first time, do you know, this is the first time that we're going to be venturing out with no reservation.
no, fantastic. I like that. That's good, because now we got no reservation. We can stay when we want and leave when we want, you know.
Yes. But so we're gonna make a pit stop in Pagosa Springs and try to hit up the ranger station, because just in case all 17 sites are full, we feel like we need to have a
plan
couple.
B.
Yes, plan B is going to be some dispersed camping somewhere.
Right.
Next to a river.
As long as we're next to water, we're pretty self-sufficient, I think.
Yep.
We have power, we have water filtration, so we're good, I think. Did a beautiful ride, and now we're going to leave here and go to Lower Piedras Campground. See you there.
You are here. There's a hairpin coming.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
Don't get cocky.
Right here.
You think you'd make this hairpin and get this?
Well,
Make
you
that ramp?
if you miss the first one, this is your last chance.
Yeah. And to get to that ramp, you got to go around a corner. Huh? These barricades. They've obviously had some people fall off the cliff. That's all I can say. So they're closed?
Yeah, I mean, they got all the paper up and everything, so they're like, don't even bother knocking.
Yeah.
Right? But there's a couple things.
Okay.
It just shows the campgrounds. There's Ute and there's Piedra, so
That's about it.
that's about it, really.
Okay.
So if we can't find something there, we'll go to Ute.
Okay. Which side do you want me to go on for you?
The other side. That's good right there.
Okay, now we can do stuff. Made it to the Lower Piedra Campground. And thank goodness there were sites.
I was just going to say the same thing.
Yes.
We are very happy to report, even though there's 17 spots here, it was practically deserted. We have our pick of spots.
Yes.
So,
Yes, little spot right down to the river.
Yes.
So right on the river, water not too far away. So we're good.
Yes. And the water is a hand pump.
Yep, an old hand pump. I say old, but it's probably a modern one, but it is a hand pump.
Yes. So we're going to be here for a couple days.
Get some work done, do some laundry, wash some hair.
Take a bath in the river. That's what
Bath
I'm looking forward to.
Bath in the river, shampoo in our shower, wash our hair with the our shower deal.
Yes.
And what else?
Laundry.
Probably have to go into town. Gonna go in. We're close to Pagosa Springs.
25 miles away.
Yes. Well, we're not bad. That's 25 miles. So
True.
25 miles away from Pagosa Springs. Probably going to do some laundry and then come back, get some work done, and then we'll head out from here.
Yes. I'm looking forward to it.
All right. Anything else, babe? We made it.
We made it. I can't think of anything. I'm just happy to know that there's camp spots here. I was really kind of sweating.
Cheers.
Cheers to a warmer morning.
Mm-hmm.
Much nicer. And sun and no wind and yeah.
Getting power to the tent.
Are we going to have heat tonight?
Maybe.
Air conditioning? Before Richard adds all the modern man necessities, I thought I'd give you a quick tour of our home as we're living in it now versus when we set it up in Red River. Here's the entranceway. Richard is bound and determined to
what? To have tent?
To have tent. And the cottonwoods are just...
That's like it's snowing.
It is like it's snowing. Squirrel! Okay, we got sidetracked. Anyway, all right. Entrance to our tent. We'll go on in here. We have our cots and our air pads and our sleeping bags. 20 degrees. Thank goodness they were a lifesaver at our last campground.
Yes.
But it was a beautiful spot. And let's see. I feel like Lucy and Desi Arnaz with the separate twin beds because nobody wanted to think that they had sex. So Richard sleeps here. Chris sleeps here. There's no hooky.
But we put the bear mattresses in the middle.
There's no hooky pooky here.
So there's plenty of...
And then we go into our mudroom / kitchen / storage / whatever. And then we go out.
Out the back door.
Out the back door to the beasts of burden that got us here. And the trailer. And we'll explore this area. But there's water that way. That way. Right there is a river. And we are going to go take a bath very soon. It's been 3 days. That's all I'm saying. We're going to wander over here to our water pump and our hand pump and get the shower ready because it's getting close to shower time.
Well, it'll be shower time this evening when this thing's warmed up.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's like 20-degree water.
Okay, it'll be shower time in about 2 hours. Appreciate your water heater at home. You pumping? Or I'm pumping?
Well, you pump. Pump away.
Woman's work. I know it works. Say when.
Keep going. One more. All right. That's good. Ta-da!
Okay, so what time is it?
It is 11:47.
All right, we're gonna check this in
in an hour.
In an hour. What's it at now?
Doesn't even register.
Oh, so it's so cold?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so how long has it been?
It's been an hour.
And what's the temperature?
Well, it says it's 128, but I'm going to disagree with that because the water needs to be on here. So you can see the temperature. Can you see it here? So it's cooling down a little less, about 100 degrees. It's less than 100 degrees. Probably more in the 80s or 90s.
Okay, so in an hour it went from 40 to 90.
Yeah. So now that the water is warmed, and you know, it's still, put your hand on it, it's still cold.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Huh. Well, so that little thermometer thing's a liar.
No, it's right, because it's in the sun here, see?
Uh-huh.
Let's see if I can get that air out of here. Get less air in there and better off.
So is that thermometer registering the temperature of the water or the temperature of the sun?
Well, the temperature of the surface of this thing, this plastic.
Okay.
So we had an air gap in there, and that air was probably hot. But now we're going to use we got most of the air out.
Okay.
It's probably a little below 90.
Okay. Okay.
Not bad.
We'll let it go a little longer. All right, what's the temperature now?
Well, what does it say?
It says 116 degrees.
Yeah, between 110 and 116 it says. So I don't know, it's kind of the surface temperature. So let's mix this up and see if it's the whole thing is 116. So let's see now, what does it register now that it's all mixed up?
104. So it's been 2 hours?
Yeah, I mean, it's good.
Yeah.
You have to have this if you're camping.
Yes.
Even for just a few nights, if you have this, you could wash up.
Oh yeah.
Least.
Oh, that thing is amazing. I mean, you almost feel like you took a shower.
Yeah.
You
really did. I mean, you wash your hair and your upper body. You go jump in the river to
do
clean
anything
private
else.
parts.
Yeah.
That's what it is. I mean, go clean your junk. I mean, somebody's got to know.
I don't have junk.
We're packing up just to go in for a grocery.
No, actually, we're going to the laundromat.
Yeah, laundry. Well, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. We're gonna have spaghetti. That's what we're making today. So let's get to it. We've got the old mild Italian sausage. We have the spaghetti noodles, which are probably way too many. And we're just making the generic sauce. I don't like the, you know, the Pregos and stuff because they put sugar in them and they taste too sweet. So we kind of take some tomato sauce and then we'll just doctor it up. And then we have some Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, and some pepper, and that's all that we could bring with us. All right, we got the sausage almost the way cooked. I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. Yeah, and this is gonna make way more than what we need because that's the only way I know how to cook. That's some pepper. Garlic. Maybe it'll help keep the mosquitoes away, so we're going to throw in a little bit of extra garlic. Yeah, let's just take the lid off. Healthy dose of Italian seasoning. If I had tomato paste, I would put it in here. But they need to sell tomatoes paste in like tablespoon size portions, because otherwise I'm using a tablespoon or two, just kind of thicken it up, and then I'm throwing the rest of it away. So we will have to pass on the tomato paste. Sure could use some fresh basil. First thing I want to do though is I want to add a little olive oil to the water and some salt. Our lemon in there a little bit. We'll add a little bit of butter to the noodles, just 'cause. We're going to add one of these Stereotypes tablets to it. See how that works for rinse water. Okay, so it turns the water blue. Guess that means it's sterilized. Give everything a good soak in here. So we found this lovely campground, no cell service, and that's okay. We can entertain ourselves the old-fashioned way.
Yeah. Play some count. Throw some bones.
I don't remember how you play them.
Really?
Yes, so give me a quick tutorial.
Well, it's
how many do I draw?
9. You're going to draw 9 because there's just 2 of us.
Okay.
And it's multiples of 5.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We can't play moon.
Yes. Yeah. We don't have enough people.
Okay, so here we are.
We have slept these dominoes around how long now?
Well, 3 weeks.
And we don't know if we have them all.
Well, we don't, because we don't have enough 4s. You should have 7 of each number.
We've had this box of dominoes for years.
And not enough 4s.
Obviously, the kids got into
Obviously,
them.
they've been that's disappointing, because look how convenient this is. Where's the lid? Look. Set of 28. Maybe we should have counted them.
All right, what are you doing, Rich?
Now you tell me. Getting ready to play the last 2 episodes of Breaking Bad. We downloaded them and saved them, and that's been our entertainment.
It is. We also get lulled to sleep by the sound of rushing water.
Yes. I am checking the oil, and I'm hoping I have the right Allen wrench. I could use some oil. Down a little bit. A little low also. Anybody want to buy me a quart of oil? This Harley drinks this Sin 3 stuff. But she's got 60,000 miles on her. So I don't think yours burns any oil. I don't think you push yours hard enough.
I follow you.
Wonderful. We are getting ready to leave the Lower Piedra campground and going to head into Durango today. Got a couple of rides, a couple things to do up in Gunnison, and
Yes, this is all tentative, so we might change all this. But I do want to say, we are going into Durango, and we are going to stay in a hotel room.
Well, it's been a week and a half now.
It's been a week and a half of bathing in rivers, and Chris would like a shower. I just want to say I am kind of looking forward to a real shower. Well, not that a river isn't a real shower, but
it's not a real shower.
They're kind of cold.
It's not a real shower at all. There's no real shower with a river.
Yes.
It's Bob's John's Incorporated.
We boldly go where you've gone.
Yeah, we boldly go where you've gone before.
Water, and here we get cold water, and now we got to go back and heat it.
We went and sold our house to live like we're homeless.
We are homeless.
I know.
Richard's coming back, and it's only been about 5 minutes, so obviously he's forgotten something. And my guess is his wallet. Did you forget your wallet? Yeah. That's exactly what I just said.